proceed to number 6. A student sees a bird on top of a 12-meter high light pole. So this illustration, a student, which is this, sees a bird at the top of a pole which is 12-meter high. Next, the student is standing 20 meters from the base of the pole. So the student is standing 20 meters from the base of the pole. The question is, at what angle must be the student incline her camera to take a picture of the bird? So angle here, at what angle must he able to incline her camera to take picture of the bird? Hence, ask here is the theta. In this case, we are given the opposite and the adjacent. So we can use the tangent. Tangent of theta is equal to the opposite 12 meter over the adjacent 20 meter. Now, if you're going to type it using a calculator, you just need to shift tan, open parenthesis, type 12 over 20, close parenthesis. Then it was equivalent to tan 30.96275,653 to its nearest digit, which is 31 degrees. Hence, our answer would be equal to 8 is equal to 31 degrees. Let's proceed to number 7. An airplane approaches an airport. So, there is an airplane approaches an airport at a certain time. The plane is 1,000 meter high. So, in this case, this is the illustration. This is the airplane approaching the airport. Then, it was stated that it is 1,020 meter high above the ground. Now, an angle of elevation measured from the airport is 20.5 degrees. How far is the plane from this airport to the nearest meter? So it was stated an angle of elevation. So in this case, angle of elevation here is 69.5 degrees. And we just need to find the distance between this in here. We are given the theta 69.5 degrees. Hence, this is 69. So we can use tangent because it is the opposite over the adjacent. Now we have tangent of 69 degrees over x, which is our unknown, over 1020 is our adjacent. Now if we're going to type cross multiply, it will be 1020 meter times 69.5. Now if we're going to type it in the calculator, just type 1020 meter times 10. You need to have shift because it's already in degrees. Then 69.5 is equivalent to 2728 in nearest degree. That would be the letter A, 2728 meter. Now let's have number 8. Angles are measured from the positive horizontal axis and the positive direction is counterclockwise. What are the values of sine B and cos B in the fourth quadrant? Now let's proceed to an illustration of the quadrants. In quadrants 1, we are given sine and cosine. Now, in Sukrita, sine is in a positive in the upper quadrants 1 and 2, while the cosine is positive in the right quadrants 1 and 4. Now, we are given number 8 that a sine, the values of sine and b in the what are the values of sine and b in the fourth quadrant? So, in the fourth quadrant, sine is negative and positive is the cosine. So in this case, if sine is negative, then it should be less than 0 and cosine should be greater than 0. Hence, we find the answer that sine B is greater than 0, at less than 0, and cos B is greater than 0, which is letter D. Now let's proceed to number 9. Which of the following is not correct to the nearest hundreds?